In this video I am going to tell you how to change the DNS to Cloudflare in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Changing DNS to Cloudflare on Windows 10 or 11 can help you to make your internet faster, more private, and sometimes fix connection issues as well. First of all, you need to press Windows and R from your keyboard and you need to enter ncpa.cpl and click on OK button. Right click on your Wi-Fi connection and then click on properties. Herein you need to select this internet protocol version 4, double tap on this. Herein you need to click on this use the following DNS addresses, and here you need to enter preferred DNS and alternative DNS. So the preferred DNS should be 1111 and alternative DNS should be 1001. So you need to use this and just press on this OK button, and after clicking on OK button it will save your settings. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it. In case you face any problem, you can mention it in the comment section. I'll make sure to give a reply, and if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button, also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.